Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy US Treasury bills through interactive brokers. We'll cover the essential steps, from setting up your account to successfully placing your order. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring you feel confident in managing your investments. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to access these government securities directly from your brokerage account, making your investment journey smoother and more informed. Before you can purchase any T-bills, your interactive broker's account needs to be funded. You can initiate a deposit through various methods, such as a bank wire, ACH transfer, or even a bill pay. It's crucial to ensure your funds have fully settled in your account before proceeding with any investment orders. This step is fundamental to a smooth transaction, so always confirm your available cash balance first. Once your account is funded, you're ready to place your T-bill order. Go to the Trade menu within the Interactive Brokers platform and search for US Treasury bills. You'll then select the specific maturity date that aligns with your investment goals. Enter the amount you wish to invest, keeping in mind the minimum purchase requirements. Always take a moment to thoroughly review all your order details before submitting to ensure accuracy. After placing your order, you can monitor its status and confirmation within your interactive broker's account activity. Your T-bills will be held in your portfolio until their maturity date, at which point the principal and interest will be credited back to your account. It's a straightforward way to invest in short-term government debt. Also, for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your daily life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.